We got 2 Lennox Value central air conditioners. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are heat pumps.
The bottom will close dry. Big 4-blade unit.
It's exactly like the one at the powerhouse.
Huh. That one was in better shape. Is that one 2006 like the one at the powerhouse?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what that means?
It's a 3-ton.
No, wouldn't that mean it's 15 years old?
16.
No.
Depending on the week of the year. Lennox does not display that. There's also a ductless unit over here.
Oh yeah, that.
Sensor?
This looks brand new back here. Fujitsu.
New pad and everything. What brand?
Probably a new install. It's a Fujitsu. Oh.
GE disconnect.
85. You can see through the coils. Oh yeah.